Energy-efficient windows. Baton Rouge, Louisiana help reduce heat gain, improve indoor comfort, and lower cooling costs in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, especially during long hot seasons. Double-pane windows, triple-pane windows. Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and energy-efficient windows. Baton Rouge are popular choices for homeowners and businesses looking for better insulation, stronger performance, and long-term savings. Vinyl windows and vinyl window installation. Baton Rouge are also widely requested because they offer low maintenance, durability, and excellent value for replacement windows. Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Window replacement. Baton Rouge, Louisiana is a smart upgrade for older homes, rental properties, and offices throughout East Baton Rouge and surrounding communities. Baton Rouge window replacement services often include residential window replacement. Baton Rouge, Louisiana, commercial window replacement. Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and full window installation. Baton Rouge, Louisiana for properties needing improved appearance, function, and efficiency. Whether the goal is replacing drafty frames, upgrading old glass, or installing new windows in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, a trusted window contractor. Baton Rouge, Louisiana can deliver tailored results for every property type. Custom windows. Baton Rouge, Louisiana are essential when standard dimensions do not fit the opening or when a homeowner wants a specific style for curb appeal. Custom window sizes are commonly used for picture windows, bay windows, sliding windows, casement windows, and awning windows, especially in older homes and updated spaces in Mid City Baton Rouge and nearby neighborhoods. New construction windows and replacement windows. Baton Rouge, Louisiana can be selected to match architectural style, improve natural light, and enhance the overall look of a home or commercial building. Window replacement. Baton Rouge, Louisiana is often the fastest way to restore visibility, safety, and insulation without replacing the entire unit. Damaged panes, foggy double-pane windows, and cracked glass can all affect energy performance and security, making window repair and replacement. Baton Rouge a practical solution for many properties. Double-pane window replacement. Baton Rouge and triple-pane windows. Baton Rouge, Louisiana are commonly recommended for homes seeking better noise reduction, comfort, and protection in Baton Rouge, Denham Springs, and Zachary. Hurricane-rated windows and impact-resistant windows are a valuable investment for properties that need added protection during severe weather. Hurricane impact windows. Baton Rouge, along with hurricane-rated windows, provide stronger defense against debris, wind, and storm damage while also improving security and insulation year-round. Window sealing and window weatherproofing are also important services that help reduce air leaks, prevent moisture intrusion, and extend the life of window frame repair and window trim repair work. Residential window replacement. Baton Rouge, LA is one of the most effective ways to modernize a home while improving comfort, safety, and resale value. Local window installers. Baton Rouge, Louisiana can install tilt-in windows for easier cleaning, sliding windows for convenience, and casement windows for improved ventilation and tight sealing. Baton Rouge homeowners often search for windows near me. Baton Rouge, Louisiana, affordable window replacement. Baton Rouge, or a Baton Rouge, Louisiana window company that can handle everything from window installation to custom windows. Baton Rouge, Louisiana with reliable service. Commercial window replacement. Baton Rouge, Louisiana supports office buildings, storefronts, apartment complexes, and multi-unit properties that need durable, efficient, and professional-looking results. Window contractor. Baton Rouge, Louisiana services can include new construction windows, replacement windows, window frame repair, and window glass replacement. Baton Rouge, Louisiana for properties across central Louisiana. Businesses looking for commercial window replacement. Baton Rouge, Louisiana often choose energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, or impact-resistant windows to reduce overhead costs and improve building performance. Window replacement in central Louisiana. Window replacement in Denham Springs, LA, and window replacement in Zachary, LA are in high demand for property owners seeking dependable local expertise close to Baton Rouge. Window replacement in Mid City Baton Rouge is especially popular for historic homes, updated bungalows, and remodeled properties that need custom window sizes, window trim repair, or full window installation. Baton Rouge, Louisiana. From replacement windows. Baton Rouge, Louisiana to window replacement. Baton Rouge, Louisiana, homeowners and businesses across the region rely on skilled service, strong materials, and the right combination of style, performance, and protection.